Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a nice classic holiday makeup look. We got some gold sparkles, we got a nice red lip. So just a classic holiday makeup tutorial. I'm really happy because last week I finished my second year med school, so we're just riding on that high right now. And I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season as well and enjoying your festivities. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of beauty, skincare, I vlog, we're just having fun. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this tutorial, then just keep watching. Hair is clipped out of the way. I'm using my Trilogy Certified Organic Rose Hip Oil to start, and we're just gonna apply a little bit of oil on our face. I just love the feeling of after applying oil to my face, it just feels like super hydrated and good to go. I'm applying the Live Tinted Raised Copper Eye Mask. So I'm just gonna leave it on for a few minutes while I just do my eyebrows, start my eye makeup, and it'll just kind of hydrate my under eyes. And I'm just gonna start by doing my eyebrows. I just gently fill them in, and then I take my brow brush and run the comb through it. It distributes the brow liner evenly. And I'm just taking a little bit of powder. I just like to run it through so the brows don't look super harsh. Taking this Estee Lauder Double Wear Brow Pencil, it's a duo, but I'm just taking the highlight side. I'm just gonna highlight under my brows. This is just the Smashbox 24-Hour Shadow Primer. This is just gonna help the eyeshadow stay on place, especially when I use like glitter eyeshadows. Usually I apply my foundation first, but because I'm just putting these on, I'm starting with my eyes first. I just want to apply a little bit and blend it out so that I have an even base to go off of. So today I'm using the Rare Beauty True to Myself eyeshadow palette. These have the prettiest colors, like, oh my gosh. I love how when you open it up, it says you are rare. I'm really excited to use this for a lot of makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna start off using this tan shade here. This is the shade called Positive. It's like a peachy nude tone color. Then I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade. It's called Passionate. This is just gonna help smoke the eye out. So I'm gonna deepen the look and apply this to my outer third. I just went back into that lighter shade and just kind of hopping back and forth so that I could blend out these colors seamlessly together. And I'm going into this brush. It has nothing on it, but it's just going to help me blend more precisely. Now I'm going into this gold shade. It's called Undeniable. And I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush to pick it up. This is just the most beautiful golden shade, and I'm spreading it out to my lid. This is like the perfect golden shade. Now I'm using this gorgeous color. It's this middle shade here. It's called Accepting. It's just this very beautiful glittery golden bronzy shade. It actually has some multicolors in it. I'm just going to use this brush and grab it on and just place it on my lid, right in the center. Okay, second thought, I'm probably just going to use my finger. Basically like a pressed glitter eyeshadow. So I want it to be like concentrated just in the middle of the lid and then just like diffuse out. I'm just gonna take these off. I think there was the tiniest bit of fallout which the eye mask caught, so it didn't go on my skin, which is good. So now I'm just gonna go into my foundation. So first I'm starting with my Glossier Future Dew. I put it on my hand and I'm applying it with my beauty sponge. This is just so we can get some glow under the foundation. I also feel like it'll help the foundation stick on nicely too, but I do just want a bit of a glow. I'll see if I need to apply more over the foundation as well. And then I'm going in with the Rare Beauty Foundation. I am the shade 360W. This foundation has just quickly become one of my favorites. I think I've said this before in a past tutorial, but the way it feels is just so soft. I don't know if it's the foundation, the brush, but it's just amazing formula. And it's vegan. I've mentioned this before as well, but the best way to apply the foundation is with a damp beauty sponge. I'm not gonna lie, my sponge wasn't wet just now because I got lazy. But if you are going somewhere, it definitely applies better when you have a damp beauty sponge. I'm just gonna use some setting spray. And then I'm gonna use my concealer. So I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in 30 Honey. It's a pretty old concealer. I'm almost done with it. To add some dimension to my face, I'm just going to add some contour. So I'm using my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade N78 Classic Tan. And I'm just taking it with a flat shade brush and applying it, you know, to chisel my jaw, to get a sleek nose look, to lift my cheekbones. We're doing it all. Take your time to blend it in because you want to make sure that the foundations, the contour are all seamlessly and nicely blended out together. And then I'm just going to use some powder and set everything in place. So we're just using the Glossier Setting Powder in G5 to G7 shade range. I'm just going to apply this. So we're going in with this blush moment. I think I'm going to mix it with this. Just kind of grab both. And I'm just gonna finish my eyes. So what I wanted to do was take this brush and first start with the shade Positive, which was the light peachy shade, and run it under my eyes. And then take the darker brown shade and kind of drag the shade from the corner in. I'm just taking a black eyeliner. This is the shade Smolder. I apply that on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner, and I'm really just gonna apply it on the outside. I want the glitter to be really dramatic, but I don't want it to be hidden by the eyeliner. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic in Carbon Black. This mascara is amazing. I actually did wear this look last weekend, but I'll probably wear it again. And that's it for my makeup look. I've uploaded a separate video on just how to attain the perfect red lip, so I have linked that down below. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to my channel, comment what looks you guys like wearing during the holidays. I hope you guys have an amazing season celebrating with your loved ones and staying safe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!